Jamaican bobsled. Look at that. There's my jacket. A big Jamaican split. Brain was buzzed. I'm in really, man. I'll be talking. We'll be talking. And I found the dream. And in this. Go to the Olympics and race a bobsled. Ja. What you say, Ja? This is Jamaica. Debbie. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it's ice. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, that's ice. Oh, okay. What's in here? Frozen. Thank you. I got my jacket back. And training the streets using fruit carts and 40 weight oil, and then you go to Calgary to see the bobsled stars. Hey, from Jamaica. And we train so hard. Hey, man. We're smoking lots and lots of spliffs, so my brain was buzzed. I'm really long on the ganja and the bong. Ain't no joking. I'd be talking. Oh, I got ice in here, baby. I love it. Oh, God. I'm gonna do it this. What do you got? When you go to Calgary, let's use my tefillin. Let's use my tefillin. My tefillin. My tefillin.
Competition is the team from Jamaica. Very interesting, Chris. Although bobsleds aren't supposed to be powered, it looks as though there's a large cloud of smoke emanating from the cockpit.
Sure.
Well, they're going to turn
The tefillin.
like they're hitting it a little high.
I don't want to lose it.
Look at his head.
Oh. Don't want to lose it this time. Matter of fact, let's go all out. Don't do it, man! Jaws just playing with you, man. He knows. You're not supposed to smoke the ganja and make decisions. That's what it's about, you stupid pot smoking monkey! Moderation! If you smoke one time, you gotta run it out, you heathen dog of the earth. Jesus H. Christ. What's the matter with these monkey people? Alright, hold on. This monkey gotta get it together. Monkey. Monkey, monkey. Monkey. How much for the monkey in the window? Look, I don't believe in pets, but Magilla Gorilla, it's a cartoon. Shut up. Magilla. Come on, what's going on? Come on. Alright, people. Just burn up all the battery. Let's go! Oh, God. Oh, I'm breaking in my tefillin. I'm breaking it in, baby. Come on. I'm breaking it in. Oh, yeah. Alright. I think I'm good now. I hope. Alright. Well. so. Hope so. Yeah, let's all right, let's see. All right, baby, let's go. Oh, all right, let's get some. Okay, baby, start up the old engines. Start up the engines. Start them up. Singing, hey, 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 hey. Ho, ho. Hey, I got my jacket. I got my jacket. La 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 la. La la. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah. I don't think I went this far last time. I don't know how I missed it. Must have been on the other side. That's exactly what happened. I was on the other side. Oh, icy. Icy. Ho, 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 and a bottle of rum. Yo, ho, ho, and a bottle of rum. Whoa, ho, oh boy. Take it easy now, take it easy. I'll wait till the stabilizers kick in, I guess. Alright. Sometimes I don't like these knee pads, they throw off my legs. But you can accept that excuse. But it does. Yeah. But I like them. We'll see. Oh boy. Then we get Gene's Run under the books. Yeah. Well, I'm busy right now hiking, guys. And it says, blessed is he in the name of the Lord. Oh boy. All right. Hello. Wide open all the time. I walk the line. Yeah.
You give me cause for love that I can't hide. For you I know I'd even try to turn the tide. Because you're mine. Walk the line.
Yeah.